Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the SIWIQU television dock station for our Nintendo Switch and for our Nintendo Switch OLED version. It's a portable television docking station with additional 1000 megabit per second LAN port, local area network, 4K HDMI adapter and Type-C port, USB port. It's a nice replacement device for the official Nintendo Switch dock in LAN model. Of course, you can make the older Switch, which come without a local area network controller, to a modern dock with a local area network controller or port. That's cool. Because only the new dock from Nintendo contains the local area network port. And here it is included if you choose the local area network model. You can choose a normal model too, that's no problem. And it's nearly $10 less price. But it comes, in my case here, with 1000 megabit per second local area network port. This dock helps connect our Nintendo Switch to a wide network system, a much faster and more stable network environment than a Wi-Fi connection. We enjoy super fast and high quality downloading on our Nintendo Switch. It's every gamer's best friend. And one-touch display switching. That's a cool function, I think, because this dock allows you to use the Switch in tablet mode. But while she is reloading. That's really cool. And for this is a one-touch switch on it. Not the Nintendo Switch, it's a Switch, it's a one-touch display switching, okay? We press the television or the tabletop mode button at the back of the dock. Then we can choose between the tabletop mode or the television output mode. The Nintendo Switch dock for television supports 4K and 1080p and 720p video output. Of course, the Switch only supports 1080p, okay? But this dock can make more. And we can charge while playing. The charging stand allows the Nintendo Switch system to be charging while in television or tabletop mode. The built-in smart original chip having short circuit protection, overpower protection, recovery protection and overheating protection. It allows us to play with Switch for an extended amount of time in our favorite games. And this dock is only 100 grams. Ooh, that's a lightweight dock. These are 3.5 OZ. The dimensions are 7.1 inches to 2.6 inches to 1.6 inches in size, which is much more portable and lightweight than the official Switch dock. Its works compatibility is the same as the official stands, so it's the perfect replacement station for our official Nintendo Switch dock. Or if you like to have another for another room, for example, then this is a good choice here, really. We should use the official Switch original power adapter to reload our device in it. But it is also possible to use a high quality USB-C to AC adapter cable too. Okay, that's possible too. No, okay. I used that in that video here. It was not the original. It supports 4K, 1080p and 720p. The charging stand allows the Nintendo Switch to be charging while playing at the same time. It's portable and really lightweight, and it's the best choice as replacement or additional in another room, for example, of our Nintendo Switch dock. And if you do need a local area network port on it, and you have not the new OLED version dock then this is a good choice to become a local area network port on your console, because here is possibility of 1000 megabit per second local area network. Oh yeah, the dock helps connect our Nintendo Switch to a wide network system, and this is much faster and it's so much more stable network environmentally than a Wi-Fi connection. We enjoy super fast and high quality downloading and of course gaming. And we have no brick, okay? The guide notch have a spring buffer function. We don't have to worry about damaging the port over time when docking the console in. And that's right, the Nintendo Switch goes really smooth into the dock and you can really easy remove it out of the dock. I think it's a good option there. And we have anti-slip mats. This Switch dock adds 3 bottom rubber non-slip mats to maintain the stability of the dock. It will not easily drop and fall over and damage our Nintendo Switch, of course. It's a really good choice if you need an additional dock or a replacement dock for your Nintendo Switch or Nintendo OLED Switch. This is the SIWIQU television dock station for the Nintendo Switch and the OLED Switch. It's portable and it comes with a local area network port if you like. HDMI adapter, Type-C port and USB port. There's more space because 2 USB ports to dock your Pro controllers onto it, or you can dock all the versions of the controllers on this USB. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.